was in cinemas. And it's illustrated by two migrant domestic workers, really talented women, Nomi and Chris. And what's exciting about Nomi and Chris is that they came to work in Hong Kong for a brighter future. And now Nomi is in Canada doing her art. And Christina, who is a former migrant domestic worker, and she's an artist and textile designer, is now back in the Philippines building her own business. This is a cause for celebration because many of the women, when they come to Hong Kong, are coming to fulfill their own hopes, dreams, and aspirations. The next slide, Dorothy. So this book is really important because it's Hong Kong's first children's book that's illustrated by migrant domestic workers. It's a local story, so it's in English and Chinese. And actually today, for the first time, you're also going to hear it in Bahasa and Tagalog, because we want everybody to experience this story. The other thing that's really special about this book is that all proceeds are donated to Pathfinders and to the incredible team at Enrich. Enrich provides financial literacy, and this is an opportunity for you to really build your skills and saving abilities to fulfill your hopes and dreams while you're living in Hong Kong. The next slide, Dorothy. And why is this book important? You'll see here is a photo of me, but not me, my auntie Zai Zai, who you'll meet in a minute. And she takes care of my children. Kaya, who's in the front row here.
Ah, it's my friend.
And also my daughter Sophia, who's going to do some reading for you.
Oh, sikat si Cyril.
I couldn't do what I do in Hong Kong as CEO of Pathfinders if I didn't have Auntie Zai Zai at home. But she has two children at home, the same age as my children. But she's a working mum too, just like me. And really, this book illustrates how important it is for us as a community to be fulfilling, to be supporting the migrant domestic worker community to fulfill your hopes, your dreams and your aspirations. But also for our children to understand that one day you'll go home. And that's a cause for celebration because it means that you've achieved your hopes and dreams. And we really believe very, very strongly that we need greater respect, appreciation, kindness, and empathy for our migrant domestic worker community. So we hope that this book will in some way go towards that ambition. The next slide, Dorothy. So now I'm going to introduce you to some very, very special guests who are going to read this book to you. So I'm going to welcome onto stage Sophia, Annie, come and stand at the microphones, guys, Raphael, and my Auntie Zai Zai.
Dati nalila ka lang ng dati
incredible young people
ngayon sikat ka na.
are going to read this story to you. Sophia is going to read it in English. Annie is going to read it in Chinese, supported by her mum, if needed, Alison Howe, who's a radio DJ for Radio 3. Raphael is going to read it to you in Bahasa Indonesian, supported by Christina Isnisby. And if Auntie Zai Zai can't manage with the reading, I'm going to support her. Okay, so we're going to get started. So Dorothy, we can have the first slide.
My family is very lucky. Ayaya ko, hampok tika, keluarga ku sangat beruntung.
Napakaswerte ng aking pamilya.
I have two loving and hardworking parents. Papa, Mama, roleh kong Faisal, ayah ibuku bekerja keras dan mereka menyayangiku.
Meron akong dalawang mapagmahal at masipag na magulang.
A waggy dog that always wants to play. Con ơi đây cậu cậu. Chúng thấy vui thong Anjing lucu yang selalu senang diajak bermain.
Alagang aso na mahilig makipaglaro.
A granddad who visits often and brings me sweets. Yeah. Hầu game sởn này hãy ngỡ dấu gì đại khẩu của thập lệ. Kakek yang sering menjemputku dan terkadang membawakanku jajanan manis.
Si Lolo na palaging bumibisita at may dalang matatamis na pasalubong.
And an extra special auntie. Auntie is special because Uncle Elliot White told Abby yang White dan Tante Bonusku yang istimewa. Kusebut dia istimewa
At ang aking katangi-tanging tita. Si tita ay extra special dahil
He makes up funny songs on the way home from school. Câu hỏi có tên, thầy Huệ Trang giáo cho dia kok Dia suka menciptakan dan menyanyikan lagu yang lucu saat menjemputku dari
siya ay umihimig ng nakakatuwang kanta habang kami ay pauwi galing sa paaralan.
Cooks the best noodles. Pergamin hohosak. Buatannya.
You can wipe it off if you don't like it. It's okay. It's just on the top. It's just on the top.
Mahusay magluto ng pansit.
Kindly helps me with my math homework when it's difficult. Câu hỏi thầy thích job. Thầy với con ở gia thầy job. Dia baik sekali, bersedia membantuku jika PR matematikaku sulit.
Matulungin sa aking takdang araling pang matematika.
And tells me amazing fairy tales from her country when my parents can't make it home for bedtime.爸爸媽媽晚上未返屋企，佢會坐喺我床前講佢國家嘅童話故事俾我聽。Dan bercerita kisah-kisah dongeng menakjubkan dari negaranya ketika ayah ibuku pulang terlambat dan tidak bisa menidurkanku.
At mga kwentong nakakamangha mula sa kanyang bansa kapag ang aking magulang ay hindi makakarating sa oras ng aking pagtulog.
But Auntie won't stay here forever because she has 2 children just like me at home. 但係阿姨唔會永遠同我哋一齊住，因為佢屋企都有2個同我一樣嘅小朋友。Namun, Tante Bonusku tidak bisa tinggal di sini selamanya karena dia memiliki 2 anak kecil seperti aku di kampung halamannya.
Ngunit si tita ay hindi mananatili dito na matagal dahil mayroon siyang 2 anak na katulad ko na nasa kanilang tahanan.
They like it when she sings funny songs. 佢哋都中意聽佢唱嘅歌。Anak-anaknya sangat senang ketika dia menyanyikan lagu-lagu lucu.
Naiibigan din nila kapag umihimig ng mga nakakatuwang kanta.
And she invented her famous noodles for them. 佢牙手嘅麵係為佢哋整㗎。Dan dia menciptakan resep mie-nya yang sangat lezat untuk mereka.
At ang kanyang napakasarap na pansit.
He can't be there to help them with their homework right now. 但係佢而家冇辦法同自己嘅小朋友喺一齊幫佢哋做功課。Dia tidak bisa bersama anak-anaknya saat ini untuk membantu mereka mengerjakan PR.
Sa ngayon, hindi siya makatulong sa kanyang mga takdang aralin
because she's here turning out my life. 佢需要喺呢度照顧我，因為佢想俾佢哋。Karena dia sedang di sini mematikan lampu kamarku.
dahil siya ay narito upang isarado ang pindutan ng aking ilaw.
Because she's here turning out my life. To make their future brighter. Agar masa depan mereka lebih cerah.
Nang sa ganon ay maging mas maliwanag ang kanilang kinabukasan.
Auntie's family takes good care of her children while she's away. 阿姨嘅家人幫佢照顧孩子。Keluarganya merawat anak-anaknya dengan baik saat dia jauh.
Ang pamilya ni Tita ang nag-aalaga sa kanyang mga anak.
And she sends her love to them through screens. 佢會透過手機屏幕傳遞嘅佢嘅愛。 dan dia mengirim kasih sayangnya dengan komunikasi rutin dengan mereka melalui layar HP.
At siya ay nagpaparamdam ng pagmamahal sa kanila sa tulong ng teknolohiya.
Unpacked boxes. Tôi mới gây lấy vật về khởi đề. Dan paket kiriman.
At mga balikbayan na kahon ng pasalubong.
While she works here with us saving money for her goals and dreams. Tôi hay ở đây OK công作時會為自己嘅目標同埋想用力賺錢. Sementara dia bekerja di sini bersama kami, menabung untuk mencapai tujuan dan mimpi-mimpinya.
Habang siya ay nagtatrabaho para makaipon sa kanyang mga layunin at pangarap.
One sunny day soon, she can fly home to her family for good. 佢希望有朝一日能夠飛返自己屋企，永遠同佢嘅家人在一起。Suatu hari nanti, tidak lama lagi, dia akan terbang pulang ke keluarganya selamanya.
Balang araw, siya ay uuwi sa kanyang pamilya.
Back to being their extra special mommy. 做返孩子嘅最愛嘅媽咪. Kembali berada di sisi anak-anaknya, dia ibu yang istimewa.
Para maging isang katangi-tanging nanay.
When Auntie gets home, her children will have good education. 阿姨返屋企，佢嘅孩子能夠得到更好嘅教育。Ketika dia pulang ke keluarganya, anak-anaknya sudah memiliki pendidikan yang baik.
Sa kanyang pag-uwi, makakamit ng kanyang mga anak ang magandang edukasyon.
And she helps her finish building her own house. Dan dia berharap rumah yang dibangunnya sudah jadi.
At pag-asang matapos ang kanilang tahanan.
So she can open up a restaurant with her sisters, serving her famous noodles. And it was all made possible with her savings and hard work. 咁樣佢就可以同家姐妹妹一齊開餐廳，煮佢最拿手嘅麵俾客人食。佢辛勤工作，好好賺錢，讓呢一層成為可能。Sehingga dia dapat membuka rumah makan dengan saudara-saudaranya dan menjual mie-nya yang sangat lezat. Semua ini bisa terwujud dengan tabungan dan kerja kerasnya.
Upang makapagbukas siya ng negosyong kainan kasama ang kanyang mga kapatid na naghahain ng kanyang sikat na luto ng pansit at naging posible ang lahat dahil sa kanyang ipon at pagsusumikap.
I told you she was extra special. 我早就話啦，佢真係好特別㗎。Kan sudah kubilang, dia tanda bonusku yang istimewa.
Sabi ko sa'yo, siya ay isang katangi-tanging tita.
Let's have a huge round of applause for Sophia, Annie, Raphael, and Faisal. And to all the aunties in the audience, we hope this book makes you feel really extra special, that it helps you feel seen and heard and understood. If you'd like a copy of the book, we have some copies here. As I said, all donations go directly to Pathfinders and Enrich, and you can find out more about both organisations and pick up some literature here. But thank you so much again to our amazing readers. Okay, great. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, next we have Horizons. So we're going to invite the team from Horizons onto the stage and they're going to give you some poetry. Thank you so much.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. Magandang tanghali po. Is everyone doing okay? Having fun? Okay, thank you. So now we're doing the first batch of our migrant community performances. So now we will have the Horizons organization. So Horizons International was founded last April 18, 2020 during the height of the pandemic. It's a platform for everyone, especially for migrant workers all over the world, to be connected with their families through posting online through different talents. It aims to preserve cultures and most of all as an outlet of emotion. From Monday to Sunday, Horizons organized various online talents practice, inspiration exchanges platform, as well as emotion outlets via poetry writing in English for non-Filipino, Tagalog or Filipino poetry writing, karaoke, and singing day. Poeto, also called as the Poetry and Photo Challenge, Love Letter Day, Thursday Throwback, or Nostalgia Reminiscent Day. Arts and crafts, cooking as art form, and recipes exchange. Even Dancing Day, Traveling and Adventures Exchange, Families and Kid Days, and Sports Day. In Horizons' own words, Horizons International, your outlet of emotions, talent, expertise. From Horizons International, please welcome Horizons International founder, Odi Monson, together with Sofia Leoncito, performing a twin poem, Never Ending Wish and Wish. Let's give them a round of applause, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. I'll be performing a poem written by our friend, Mr. Nat, who was at the audience. Wish. I'll make a wish. I'll make a list of my Christmas wish. It's not for me, it's for everyone. A peaceful mind, which keep us by, a loving heart, which bring us together. It's a season of joy, a day we have, not just material thing, but the joy that burns. May all our wishes come true. Good afternoon, everyone, and happy belated International Migrants Day and happy 10th year anniversary AIA. So this is the twin poem of Wish. This was also published in Pangyao's magazine. Shout out Pangyao's, shout out Horizon, shout out Pathfinders, shout out all of the migrant workers and organizations that I didn't mention. So what does we do on Christmas, not just on our birthday? This is the never-ending wishes. Christmas comes once a year. It's a year of holiday cheer. Young and old, to Santa, what are we whispering? It's those material things that's does it make us feel better? What should be our reaction when our wishes didn't come true? Shall we blame the fate or being lamented? Some of you are patient when being tested. Christmas is coming. Everyone is celebrating. Those meaningful carol that the choir is singing. But what was the never-ending wishes that we are asking? Is love for humanity? It's just being hanged. It will be rain in our heart. Or world peace is just a wishful thinking. Thank you so much for the holiday cheers. Thank you all for the gifts that we are sharing and we are giving. And most of all, it doesn't matter if we give back for the gifts. What's important is loving is striving, and most of all, sharing is caring. And may we all our wishes come true. May all our wishes come true. And that's our mouth was uttering. So before you make a wish, think first. It's for the inspiration and for the love of humanity that is going to cheers and brings a Merry Christmas to one and all. Thank you.
Mana ka? Di na ka mungkuan?
Kami sayaw.
Asa?
Mga tagkas nila.
Ayo.
Libot taon niya ha.
Oh, libot taon niya.
Hello again, everyone. I hope we all enjoyed that wonderful poem from Horizons. I guess all of us here have wishes that we're hoping to come true, and by the end of this year, I hope love is also thriving and we share all the good things that we have for everyone. So for our next performers, we have the Migrant Riders of Hong Kong. The Migrant Riders of Hong Kong was established in March 2021, and the group aims to foster a nurturing and inclusive environment for all migrant workers in Hong Kong. MWHK, in short, is a migrant domestic worker community led by its co-founders Maria Nemilu Rocio, Alan May Ramos, and Lizelle Fernandez Marcos, who are also part of our community Pathfinders. They empower their fellow domestic workers by encouraging them to use creative writing such as poetry and other forms of narratives as a powerful mental health tool. Performing with Migrant Riders of Hong Kong today is also Wilson Chang, a painter, graphic designer, as well as independent musician living in Hong Kong, whose latest music album, Traces and Entanglements, has been released this summer. Please welcome Migrant Riders of Hong Kong performing their collaborative poem, Beyond Borders, with accompanied music by Wilson Chang. Enjoy! Please give them a round of applause. Thank you!
Sana makanta sila. Ha? Book writer mo? Hello. Bukan juga mga Pilipino talented ba? Ha? Ako ba wala pa na-discover? Vlogger. Mura.